Hi, my name is Elizabeth de la Cruz, and I will be telling you a story about the time that I met my biological father for the first time. This happened when I was 30 years old. My mom said that she was going to go to Acapulco to go see my grandma and asked me to go along with her. So I said, okay. While we were in Acapulco, my aunt made a suggestion and she said, well, you know what? Now that you're here, why don't you go meet your biological father? And I said, you know what? I really don't care to meet him. He hasn't been part of my life in 30 years. And she said, you know what? Just meet him, see how he's doing, and that way he can also see how successful you guys became without him in your life. And I said, you know what, you're right. So the next day we arranged to meet at the beach at 2 o'clock, and we got there and we said our hellos, and I noticed that my brothers resembled him a lot. And while we were there, I noticed that he had bought all this seafood so we can eat. Well, I don't like seafood. I'm not a fan of it. And I wasn't eating. And he noticed that I wasn't eating. So he bought another plate of seafood and I didn't eat that either. So then he would buy a different plate and I wasn't eating that either. He did this for about 2 more times until my aunt made a comment and she told him, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to feed Elizabeth 30 years worth of food in one day? And I thought that was funny. And I told her, why did you say that? She's like, because it's true. He's trying to feed you 30 years of food in one day since he never fed you in 30 years. Anyway, I thought that was really funny. But another thing that I remember about that day is I met my aunt, which is his sister, and she was talking to me and she told me, you know what? Even though my brother wasn't part of your life, we are very proud of you. We are very proud of the persons that you guys became. You guys persevered and you made it and you were successful. She said you became a teacher, and she said not only did you become a teacher, she said you became a teacher in the United States of America. How wonderful is that? And I thought, you know what? That is wonderful. And that is something I'm always going to remember. And I am glad that I went that day. And I wanted to share the story with you. So thank you for listening to my story.